CG100X Smart Auto Repair Tool version 1.7.5.0 update. Huge expansion for dashboard and airbag modules. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of automobile diagnostics, programming, and cutting-edge repair solutions. Before we jump into today's exciting update, I have a small but very important request. Most of you watch these videos, but a lot of you forget to hit that subscribe button. It only takes a second, but it means the world to me and helps keep this channel going strong. So please, take a moment to subscribe, turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon, and stick around till the end for all the details. If you find this video useful, consider showing some love with a super thanks. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get started. Disclaimer, read carefully before proceeding. This video is created strictly for educational and informational purposes and is intended to help automobile technicians, learners, and enthusiasts gain a deeper understanding of diagnostic tools and vehicle programming. The content, including demonstrations, discussions, and references, is shared under fair use guidelines and is meant for review and educational insights only. No copyrighted material is used for commercial purposes. Furthermore, all trademarks, vehicle models, and brand names mentioned in this video belong exclusively to their respective manufacturers. If you're working on any vehicle, always ensure you follow official manufacturer guidelines, industry best practices, and local regulations to ensure a safe and compliant repair process. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about what's new in the latest CG100X Smart Auto Repair Tool update. CG100X Smart Auto Repair Tool version 1.7.5.0. What's new? On February 28, 2025, the CG100X Smart Auto Repair Tool received a major software upgrade, bringing it to version 1.7.5.0. This update significantly expands the tool's vehicle model coverage, allowing for more advanced diagnostics, repair functions, and programming capabilities. Whether you work in a professional repair shop or handle your own vehicle repairs, this update makes the CG100X even more versatile and powerful. Let's break down all the major enhancements introduced in this update. 1. Major dashboard module expansion. 10 new vehicle models added. One of the biggest highlights of this update is the expansion of dashboard compatibility, allowing users to diagnose, modify, and repair even more vehicle dashboards. The tool now supports an additional 10 models, enhancing its ability to handle odometer correction, EEPROM read-write operations, and dashboard programming. Newly supported dashboard models. BAIC CHANGHE M50S. This model, equipped with a 24C02 memory chip, can now be diagnosed and repaired using the CG100X. Besturn B70S, 2022 and newer. This sedan from FAW now enjoys full dashboard support, thanks to its 24C16 chip integration. Honda Odyssey, 2018 and newer. Honda's popular minivan can now have its dashboard diagnostics and repair operations carried out efficiently, using its 93C86 EEPROM chip. Dongfeng Tianlong VL. Heavy-duty truck operators will be happy to know that the Dongfeng Tianlong VL, which uses a 24C08 chip, is now fully supported. JC Shuiling S6, 2023 and newer. Owners and repair professionals working on this SUV can now access dashboard programming via its 24C16 chip. Maxus Every19, 2023 and newer. The Maxus Every19, a multi-passenger vehicle, is now fully covered under dashboard diagnostics and programming. With these additions, the CG100X becomes an even more powerful tool for dashboard repairs, making it a must-have for modern repair shops and auto service professionals. 2. Airbag module expansion. More safety system support. This update also brings significant enhancements to airbag crash data reset capabilities, adding 10 new vehicle models to the airbag control module support list. This means technicians can now perform safer and more effective airbag module repairs on an even wider range of vehicles. Newly supported airbag modules. Toyota 89170-0R470. This Toyota airbag module which operates using an 7F701644 encrypted chip, can now be reset and reprogrammed. Lincoln MA1T 14B321 AC. Technicians working on Lincoln vehicles will now find it easier to service and reset this module, which also uses an 7F701064 encrypted chip. Trumpchi 804000 3DSV0100. The latest Trumpchi model has been added, allowing for full airbag diagnostics and reset operations. Changan 365810 MK06 CR31. Changan vehicles now receive additional airbag module support, improving post-accident repair solutions. With these updates, the CG100X tool becomes even more valuable for crash data reset operations, giving technicians greater flexibility when handling post-accident vehicle safety restorations. 3. Body repair module expansion. More precision for high-end vehicles. Another exciting enhancement in this update is the addition of 2 new Porsche models to the body control module, BCM, repair list. This upgrade allows for more precise repairs and ECU programming, particularly for high-end vehicles. Newly supported Porsche models. Porsche 7P5 953 507 billion. This body module, powered by 95,160 EEPROM, can now be diagnosed and repaired using CG100X. Porsche 7PP 953 568 CQ. Another high-end Porsche model, now fully supported for body control module diagnostics and ECU programming. For professionals working on luxury vehicles, these new additions make CG100X even more indispensable for body repairs and programming. 4. Expanded read-write functionality. More vehicles, more control. One of the most powerful aspects of the CG100X Smart Auto Repair tool is its ability to read and write vehicle data, enabling modifications, cloning, and advanced diagnostics. In version 1.7.5.0, the tool now supports 13 additional models for dashboard read-write operations. Newly added read-write models. Northern Bus, 2018 and newer. Bus fleet maintenance just got easier. The Northern Bus model, running on a 24C08 chip, is now fully supported. BYD Auto Fang Chengbao. This vehicle's left body module, powered by a 25,256 chip, can now be modified and updated. Changan Uni-Z, 2024 and newer. The Changan Uni-Z, a newer model, now allows for dashboard read-write operations using a 24C32 EEPROM chip. With this expanded read-write support, the CG100X ensures even greater control over vehicle diagnostics and modifications, making it one of the most powerful tools in the industry. Final thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe. A huge thank you to all my amazing subscribers and regular viewers. Your support is what keeps this channel going. If you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's completely free, and it helps me continue creating in-depth content for all of you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and share your thoughts on this update. Also, if you'd like to support the channel further, consider sending a super thanks. It's a great way to help keep this content coming. Thanks for sticking around till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy diagnosing!